If you compare WordPress websites of 2015 and 2020, you will see a huge difference. In WordPress websites of 2020, designers position elements freely, overlap things, and use much of free space. How can you create such designs for your WordPress websites? Creative designs require freehand positioning. You can use graphic tools like Figma, Adobe XD, and Adobe Photoshop. However, they create image mockups, not working websites. On the other hand, there are site builders, in which you can place elements only into the predefined positions. You need a new tool that combines freehand positioning and site building. We have created Nicepage. It is a unique mix, as you can design and build working WordPress websites at once. Nicepage builds mobile-friendly WordPress websites and generates clear HTML. It comes with a collection of over 4,000 WordPress themes of blocks and pages of 2020. With Nicepage, you save time and money. Go to nicepage.com and download the application for Windows or Mac OS. Click on the file to install Nicepage. Nicepage is the WordPress site builder that everyone can handle. Visit nicepage.com.